it's Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Golf TSI Comfortline. Stock reference number 3869. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a CXSA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by QRL automatic 7-speed front-wheel drive transmission. CXSA 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine 4-cylinder. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have a left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, the left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has a fold on the front edge, still may be usable. Right power door mirror. And a right 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with a dark grey cloth interior. It's got a dark grey cloth centre console lid, automatic console with electric handbrake, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, owner's manual, service books in a dealer's case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.